All right, so we're still adding and subtracting like units. And remember, like units means that we're either going to be adding and subtracting tens or adding and subtracting ones. So those are the two like units that we have to find. So let's do another one. Let's do 51 plus 20 equals I don't know, or question mark. Which of these numbers can I decompose? I'm going to decompose 51 into 50 and 1. Now I have 50 and 1 plus 20. Which are the like units? If I'm adding 20, am I adding 2 ones or 2 tens? That's right, I'm adding 2 tens. So what should I add 2 tens to? Should I add it to 50 or 1? Well, let's look. I know 50 is 5 tens and 1 is 1 1. So should I add 2 tens to 5 tens or 2 tens to 1 1? Which one is a like unit? Which one is the same unit? That's right, tens and tens. I know that 5 tens and 2 tens is the same as 7 tens, and then I just have one left over. So 51 plus 20 equals 71. On your next question, you're also going to see a question, and you saw it in the last slide, that says something like, what like units are you adding or subtracting? And it's going to say tens and ones, like this. And I want you to circle which one it would be. So in this case, did you add tens or did you add ones? That's right, you worked with the tens. So you're going to circle tens. And you're going to do this same problem for 2 or 3 more problems, okay? And then after 2 or 3 more problems, you're going to be done for the day.